Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I want to show you guys some things that I've been playing with from my last Temu haul. I'll have it listed down below. If you guys are new to Temu, definitely download the app and make sure that you guys use the information linked down below with my code and all that good stuff, so you can get $100 of worth of free items and 30% off your first purchase. Okay guys, make sure you use that down below. I'll have, again, all the information listed down below. You guys can check out the last haul that I did so you can see the other things in case you missed it, and I will have the items that I'm showing today linked down below. Okay, so some of you guys were saying that you wanted to see what some of these things look like, and this is one of the sets that I grabbed. It also comes with another little hand. I didn't cut out the teacup, but I did cut out the bunny, and I just been coloring it with my alcohol ink markers, and I just lost the ear. It'll pop up somewhere, but I just wanted to show you how adorable the little bunny is. So there's that one, and then here goes the ear right here, guys. I want to know how you guys keep these die cuts together like this. I'll probably have to like put some paper on the back of it. But how adorable is the bunny? All right, let's move that to the side. There's that one. And then I was so thirsty, guys, to play with the one with the little lamb chop. Guys, I looked up, some of you guys had commented about the lamb chop show, and it was called the lamb chop show, I believe. And it was a little puppet that this lady, she had this beautiful red hair, and she would like talk with the lamb. I know I'm showing my age right now. I'm an 80s baby, and I used to love watching Lamb Chop. I remember that, and this reminded me of it, guys. So I really wanted to get this die set because of the lamb. And so with this set, you get the 3 characters, the lamb, I think this is like a bear or a panda bear, and then the bunny, and you get the cup. And then each of them you can place on the cup. So let me show you guys what that looks like. If these are sold out, guys, and I put that they're sold out because I know they only had a few of some of them, come back to my video and leave me a comment, because I will subscribe for you guys, because there's no way for me to post the link. I'll have to subscribe, and they'll notify me when it's back in stock. But I got so much stuff going on, guys, I will forget. Okay, so if it's anything is sold out that I'm showing and you really want to get it, just leave me a message after a few days and I will let you know if it's restocked. Like, be on me about that, and I have no problems letting you guys know when it's restocked. So these are the little critters. Look at how cute the bunny. This piece does cut out. I have to back it with some paper, but I did use my alcohol ink markers and just color just a little bit because I wanted her to remain white. And then here goes the little lamb chop. Isn't she so cute? So adorable. I love this little sheep. And then here goes, I don't know if it's a bear or a panda, but I made him purple. And I use my digital collection, guys. If you're interested, I have a spring digital collection, and those are the papers that I used. I'll link my Instagram in case you are interested. And then the whole reason for me even placing this order, guys, is because of this frame die. This, by far, is my favorite frame die that I've shown on my channel. It comes with this outside piece. This thing was hard to get out, you guys. I had to have my husband take it out, and it still has like a little cup. Like, it's really like nested in there. So you have to be careful. Use one of those chisel things. I don't know what the tool is called. But the main reason why I wanted, because this beautiful bow and this frame was just so beautiful to me, that I had to place this Temu order. Okay, so that's the whole reason for this entire order that I did. And look at how cute these came out. So adorable. You get 3 layering pieces in the bow. So I just colored them, and I want to embellish these more, but just to show you guys how they look. Look at how adorable. There goes the bunny. Okay, so that's her in the white, and then this is her with the color. Really adorable. So I figured let's go ahead and put one together really quickly. I gotta hurry up. All right, I'm gonna use my alcohol ink markers. And where's my little swatch sheet? All right, I'm just gonna have to wing it because I don't see it. And I thought I put it right by me so that I can do this. But anyways, let's go ahead and color the lamb chop. And I think I want to make her blue. I'm gonna just do a little bit. I'm gonna make her blue. Why not? So I'm just going over all those little cut lines. Those are all my little detail lines. And I'm just gonna go over them like so. And I'm even gonna go over the edges. I like to leave this cut out in the paper, but I wasn't thinking about it. I just pulled it out to do this video. But I'm gonna make her, what would you call it, her fur? This blue color. And let's get right here. I've gotta hurry up, guys. And then let's make her ears pink, of course. And her nose pink. And you know I gotta add her little heart cheeks. I just love adding heart cheeks to all my little characters. And let's actually make her little, what you call these, hooves? Let's make those pink as well. And her little eyebrows. She's got some little eyebrows there. And then, I'm gonna go ahead and color her skin in this color. If you have these markers, this color is R192 in the Ohuhus. I feel like this one's trying to go out on me. I wasn't trying to color her eyes, but and then we'll do her. I feel like these will be that color too. Okay. And let's just color her eyes. Let's do blue. Oh no, they came out. So I'm gonna have to back this with paper. All right, and then let's go ahead and put this together really quickly before I go. Don't forget to use your magnets to hold this stuff down. While I'm applying glue to the next piece, I'm gonna let my magnets hold that down. This is from my digital collection, guys. This paper here. I'm gonna use the pretty yellow with all the flowers. Let my magnet hold that down. And let's go ahead and apply glue to the bow. And on the bow, I'm just gonna put it here, here, a little bit here, and I'm not sure if the bottom, I think a little bit right here on the bottom. Okay. So I'm gonna add this about here is where I want it. Let my magnets hold those down. And let's go ahead and prepare this. Let me see. Yeah, I gotta put some paper behind it, guys. Let's go ahead and just use a little tiniest little scrap for the blue. So I'm gonna add a little bit of glue. Let me see if one of these scraps will cover it. Yes, it will. Let me clip that. So don't forget, if this is sold out, even if it's not sold out, I think it's going to sell out quickly once this video comes out. Because it's just too cute, guys. I'm telling you, this is the whole reason for me getting this order is this frame die. All right, let's add some foam on the back of my little lamb chop. One here and one here. And then I always like to add a little wet glue on this. And we're gonna position her like down here because I don't want to cover much of the bow. And I'm gonna add like maybe little flowers or something here, but how adorable is this, guys? All right, so that is, and you can do all kind of color combinations. These are the sets that I wanted to share with you all. I couldn't wait to play with them. And I hope you guys got some inspiration from this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye, everyone.